ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Noilam jong Trinamool Congress. Dr. Mukul Sangma ula ong baka seng Congress kadon meta Hapdeng ke Jingkulmar Jingmut. Hadian bakal pendapat ba ban ajing kerjaan yang ke sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kababat ulakam sencar po kacela. Kumun cukudau hang ni ka sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kadai gabrayalam da ka seng san pertai National People's Party kabai trelang bat ka Bharatiya Janata Party lembat ki seng riulu. Shushu Dr. Mukul ulaong ba kani ke jinglei ajing kerjaan jong ke seng Kongres ya ke sorkar MDA kadai ke jingshet kala ya la ke nongrem baka Kongres kala yang bat ka penpawru baki MLA jong ke seng Kongres ki trang palat bandana kabor wat la ki pat ba kila pensyong ya Mynta syupor ha ke liang persya.
It's a reflection of the fact that the Congress in the state of Meghalaya is in a complete disarray. They are victim of full of confusion now. And that's the reason why I have said, rather than remaining in Indian National Congress, if they have the resolve to serve the people and serve the state, it's time for them to join All India Trinamool Congress. This is the only platform where they can do justice to the responsibilities vested upon them. But today, if you go by what has happened, in as far as the declaration of the Congress Legislature Party in the state of Meghalaya is concerned, associating themselves with a BJP-led, NPP-led MDA government. So, in other words, Congress has decided to be part of a government where BJP and NPP is actively associated. It is a complete betrayal. And it is just completely contrary to what Indian National Congress has always stood for. And this is complete reflection of, as I say, their desperation to be in power. There has been, I must say, from the day one after the election results were declared in 2018 March, there has been attempt by some of them to be part of the government. I think there is a complete sense of desperation which has led them to even how many days, 25th November, we have 12 members of the CLP have marched with the All India Trinamool Congress. So how many days have been there as a separate group? And they have not been in a position to reaffirm their commitment towards the people in sync with what was promised in 2018.